Best digital cameras for 2018. Number 11, Fujifilm X100F Best compact for stills under $1,500. With its APS-C sensor and a fixed 35mm equivalent lens, the X100F delivers the best photos, the best shooting experience for manual devotees you can get for the money. Rating: 9 design, 8 features, 8 performance, 8 image quality. Number 10. Nikon D7200 Best Prosumer DSLR Value. The D7200 delivers on the basics, including great photo quality and solid performance. Rating: 8 design, 7 features, 8 performance, 8 image quality. Number 9. Nikon D500 Best Prosumer DSLR for shooting action. The fastest APS-C DSLR camera under $2,000, the Nikon D500 delivers great photos, has a speedy and accurate autofocus system, a streamlined shooting design and 4K video. Rating: 8 design, 8 features, 9 performance, 8 image quality. Number 8. Sony Alpha 6000 ILCE 6000 Best Mirrorless ILC Value. The Sony A6000 is a great overall camera for more advanced photographers who want something smaller than a DSLR. Though it's several years old, that just makes it a better buy for the money. Rating: 9 design, 9 features, 8 performance, 8 image quality. Number 7. Sony Alpha ILCE 7 with 28 to 70mm lens Best Full Frame Value. Sony's original A7 is a great alternative to similarly priced entry-level full-frame DSLRs, though it's not the speediest camera. Rating: 9 design, 9 features, 8 performance, 8 image quality. Number 6. Nikon D3300 Best Cheap DSLR. Very good photo quality for its class plus decent performance makes the Nikon D3300 a solid choice for a first DSLR. Since it's an older model, the price is now in a good territory for folks on a budget. Rating: 7 design, 7 features, 8 performance, 8 image quality. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix DMCF Z1000 Best Bridge Camera. With excellent photo and video quality and a deep feature set, the Panasonic Lumix DMCF Z1000 is the perfect mix if you want DSLR-like controls and better than point-and-shoot performance with the convenience of a single fixed lens. Rating: 8 design, 9 features, 9 performance, 8 image quality. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix ZS100 TZ100 TZ110 Best General Purpose Compact. A great blend of quality, size, and features for people who want photos better than their phone delivers, but prefer a lot of lens over best-in-class photo quality. Rating: 8 design, 9 features, 7 performance, 8 image quality. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix DMCL X100 Best General Purpose Advanced Compact. With really good photo and video quality, a great set of features and generally class-leading performance, the Panasonic Lumix DMCL X100 is probably one of our favorite compact cameras ever. Rating: 9 design, 8 features, 8 performance, 8 image quality. Number 2. Nikon D750 Best Prosumer DSLR. The Nikon D750 delivers an excellent combination of quality, performance and features for its price. Rating: 8 design, 9 features, 8 performance, 9 image quality. Number 1. Sony A7R II Best Mirrorless ILC. Overall, the Sony A7R II is a great camera for folks who need a high-resolution full-frame model in a more compact design that is available in a DSLR. Rating: 9 design, 9 features, 7 performance, 9 image quality. And that's it. Please click the product's corresponding link to learn more. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.